Okay. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. And for today's video, we are going to unbox my new DJI Osmo Mobile 3. So this is a mobile gimbal. And actually bigay ito sa akin ng girlfriend ko for my birthday this year. I wasn't expecting na makakatanggap ako ng ganitong gift. Hindi ko alam, suportado yata ako sa paggawa ng videos. And we'll be comparing this with the gimbal na ginagamit ko, or stabilizer, which is the Dibo. Got it from Lazada for I think around 1,000 pesos. Pero ito yung mas mechanical style. Like this. And medyo massive siya, tsaka bulky compared to what we have here. Pero ang nahahawakan nga lang niya nito is mobile phones. Pero still, I think this would be good catch. And let's see how it would look like. Kasi first time ko lang hahawak at makakita ng ganito. Since hindi kasi siya yung parang type of gears na magagamit ko. Kasi I'm currently using GoPro din. And it's already a GoPro Hero 8 na may stabilization feature na siya. And it was very good for me. Let's see. Since ngayon lang nakakuha ng ganitong items. So, meron siyang, and there's a separate box here. I guess ito yung mga accessories niya, like charger, siguro cord, if I guess. We got the charger type C. A tripod from DJI. What else? Okay, just cord. And, pouch. So, para siyang travel pouch. Siguro kung di mo kailangan yung ganito. Pero I would prefer na gamitin yung ganitong case. Since gamitin mo ito for traveling and mas secured. Alright, so let's see. So, yung version ng DJI na to would be yung foldable one. If I'm not mistaken, yung Mobile 2 at saka yung pinaka-pioneer nito is not foldable. So, medyo bulky siya. But this one, very compact. Pwede mo ilagay sa bag. And it comes with this pouch. So, mas okay siya and protected. So, I got a couple of buttons here. Actually, hindi ko pa alam kung ano yung mga purpose nito. But I guess this would be the power. Ito yung navigator. I guess this is mode. Meron ditong parang tilting. I guess for adjustment. Let's see. So very premium siya tignan. Bulky, not much. But if I'm not mistaken, kailangan mo mag-download pa ng application that you need to connect on your phone to access all the certain features that you need para mapagana. So sinusubukan ko siyang i-activate ngayon. May lumalabas siya. Meron pa akong ini-install. Not sure ko na to, pero let's see. So, gagawa na lang ako ng separate video, actually para matest. Since ako mismo excited kasi hindi pa ako nakaka-try ng ganitong kind of gimbal. And if you're enjoying this video, hit like just right below. And then leave na lang din kayo ng comments if you guys are also have any other inputs or tricks na pwede ko ma-apply since first timer akong gumamit ng ganitong device. And there, tapos na. Let's see. Okay. So yan, nakapwesto na siya. Pero hindi siya kumukuha ng parang balance. Subukan natin i-adjust. And then meron siyang parang trigger dito. Makikita niyo. Hindi ko lang sure kung ito yun. There. So yung parang pinaka-side niya pala dito is portrait. Pero kailangan mo munang hanapin yung parang pinaka-balance niya para pumwesto siya ng ganito. And the navigation itself, pag iniikot mo to, could be tilting, panning. Okay, that's how it should look like. So naka-portrait version to ngayon. Simultaneously ako nagvi-video dito. May camera. So I'm still trying to figure out kung paano to gagamitin. Say hello. But I just need to know paano i-landscape. So that should do. So ngayon naman, naka-landscape na. And so far, I'm enjoying it. Kaya nyo. So kahit i-tilt ko siya, sundan nyo. Sobrang stabilize, I guess. Siguro effective to kapag gagamitin nyo yung mga travel videos, yung mga pagtakbo. Pero I guess kaya rin gawin kasi ng GoPro to. Pero still, this could be useful for me. Alright, I guess that's it for my unboxing video for today. Quite short. And we'll be using this on our upcoming travel sa Bali, Indonesia this coming week. I'll keep you guys all posted. Don't forget to hit the like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And I'll catch you guys next time. I'm out. Peace.
Yo, alexisdanielmerin, it's last year. I'm not wearing a headband, I'm sorry, but I wanted to wish you the best day ever. Have an awesome day, hope to meet you in the future. Power on, appear.
Ba't mo nga mamaya, may malipon na yan.
Yari na naman tayo.
Papogi ng kasama ko.
Pogi talaga ako.
Happy birthday, Alexis!
Lang, Sir Gian. Hindi
Ayun
ko
na, go
alam.
na.
Nahihiya ako.
Go. Short
Ano?
lang.
Short lang. Short lang. Ang sasabihin ko, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Alexis.
Thank you.
Sabay patangat mo ng kamay mo.